Hi, I'm Clare Ashworth. I'm the Key Fund Manager at DVSC. So the Key Fund is part of the SPF funding this year. We are a trusted partner of DCC, and so DVSC is disseminating a number of grants to third sector organisations, and they can apply for capital or revenue grants this year to be spent by the 31st of December, and it can be for anything that improves their organisation's sustainability. Anyone who's a not-for-profit organisation can apply for a Key Fund grant, so that includes charities, KICs or CICs, or any constituted group, such as a small tenancy association. If you are not sure about whether you're eligible to apply because you're not sure if you're a third sector group or not, then you can always contact DVSC and ask for some advice. This year, the Key Fund is hoping to support organisations across Denbighshire, or those based outside Denbighshire but who have a significant number of beneficiaries in Denbighshire, to help them to be more sustainable. So that might include helping them with salary costs, helping with their rent costs. It might be a big capital build like replacing a roof. It can be very specific to that organisation. We're also particularly interested in hearing from groups who've not had a Key Fund before. If you're a small group in the area, or maybe you've just been newly established, we'd also like to hear from you as well. Obviously, at the moment, people are feeling the bite financially. So that's not just on a personal level or in your household. That means that third sector agencies are also feeling that struggle financially. So the Key Fund is here to help with that. It's helping you get over the next financial line, so to speak. It's really important you come and talk to us. We're here to help you. Sometimes it can be a little bit worrying, thinking that you're going to apply for a grant and you're not sure whether you should be doing that. We're absolutely here to provide you with some advice. So DVSC doesn't only give out charitable grants, it also supports you with strategic direction, maybe developing your policies and so on and so forth. So if you're feeling brave enough to contact us, we can look at your wider issues and help you with things beyond that charitable grant that you might also need. But we are here to support you, and so if a grant is what you absolutely do need, then we will help you with that. We've had Key Fund grants before that have been disseminated across Denbighshire, and to see the difference that has made has been absolutely tremendous. It's been a real pleasure to see the groups grow. Some of them have come to us for a grant, and that has just been a grant, but others have come to us and they've also maybe helped with, we've maybe advised them on their volunteer policy, or maybe we've signposted them so they can meet up and develop a new partnership with another group. All of this obviously means that the people of Denbighshire are ensured that they're going to find a group that can help them with their issues, and that's what it's really all about. So please do get in contact if you think that we can help you grow your organisation from strength to strength.